Tassimo by Bosch Suny Special Edition TAS3102gb Coffee Machine, 1300 watt, 0.8 liter. Let's go start the video. So welcome Tech 5 channel new video. Products details. Style name, coffee machine. Capacity, 0.8 liters. Brand, Tassimo. Color, black. Special feature, programmable. Coffee maker type, drip coffee machine. About this item. Easy to use, one button operation. Simply pop your chosen drink pod into the coffee machine, press start and the Tassimo Suny reads the drink's unique barcode thanks to its IntelliBr technology for the ideal drink every time. No heat up required. Coffee shop favorites. Indulge in your favorite Costa Latte, cappuccino or tasty Cadbury's hot chocolate. Choose from over 50 drinks, from well-known brands, to enjoy at home with family and friends. Sleek and stylish coffee pod machine, the compact size fits easily on any worktop, special edition color. Auto cleans between each drink to ensure no flavor mixing between cups and auto shuts off when not in use. Designed and made by Bosch for peace of mind, with 2 years manufacturer's warranty. Product benefits include 1. Easy to use with smart start operation and no heat up. 2. Special edition, all black design. 3. Perfect drink quality thanks to IntelliBr technology. 4. Over 70 drinks from 11 well-known brands. 5. Automatic cleaning and descaling. Thanks for watching the full video. Like this video. Share this video. Subscribe the channel for more new video. Press the bell icon for new videos notification.